What's up, everybody? It's Alex, the founder and CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated mods marketplace. When you hear the brand name Mishimoto, you might think high-performance intercoolers and radiators and other cooling products for race cars and street performance cars. Us too. But sitting in front of me are two exhaust products for the 2015 and up S550 Mustang GT with the Coyote 5-liter V8. And we think they're interesting because we want to call your attention to it if you are a budget-minded consumer looking for a cost-effective way to increase flow and get a race sound out of your Mustang GT. So we'll dig into those in a minute, and of course you can purchase your Mishimoto products at Motoroso.com alongside a million other top name brand products. And we've got live chat and toll-free customer support at 1-833-MOTOROSO anytime. We're here to help you with your builds and get you a great deal on the mods that you need. Let's take a look. A full catback exhaust system for a Mustang GT made out of decent materials is going to cost you anywhere from $1,000 to on up over well over $3,000, and that can be quite a chunk of change. And if you've got a budget you're trying to work within and you're trying to do lots of mods to your Mustang, maybe that doesn't work out for you. Well, we like these Mishimoto products, and I wanted to call attention to them because they allow you to kind of custom pick exactly what you want and just replace a part of your stock system. So starting with the X-Pipe, which is under $300. It's a very simple system that you cut out your stock resonator and clamp this system right in and gives you that X-Pipe, which increases performance and gives you that kind of racy sound. And it's a super easy install, and you could keep your stock mufflers if you wanted to. Now, further on down the system, you can also opt to go with their race axleback system. And this deletes the mufflers. Same situation. They show you where to cut, you cut it off, you use the clamps that they provided, and you get a super high quality 304 stainless steel system with these nice matte black 4.5-inch tips that are emblazoned with the Mishimoto logo, and they're going to look great back there. And you're going to get that racy sound, and this system only costs around $400. You can do one or the other, and you're going to increase the flow and the sound of your whole system, or for around $700 you can do them together and you're going to get a really high flowing, really loud exhaust system. So we found this interesting. We thought you would too. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and when you're ready to buy these parts, hit us up at Motoroso.com on live chat or call us toll free at 1-833-MOTOROSO. Thanks for watching.